Hey, what's up everyone? Armand here and I'm back for another unboxing video. This will be a quick one because I'll be unboxing just one product or one item. And this is Black Phantom from Kilian. So I got this from one of a fragrance aficionado, one of a fragrance collector. His name is Good No Sin. I don't know really how to pronounce his name, but Good or Got is based in South Korea, in Seoul, South Korea, and he sent me this through his contact here in the Philippines. So I'm ready to unbox this, and scissors on hand. So this fragrance was created by Sidonie Lancesure for Kilian, and Sidonie is uh, one of the in-house designers for Kilian. She's done a lot of fragrances for the house of Kilian, and that includes Black Phantom, Straight to Heaven, Apple Brandy, among other fragrances. So, by the way, when I got this, I also got a few freebies from Good or from Gut. I've got a couple of candies, chocolates from South Korea. Also got a couple of fragrance decants. I think one was Kenneth Cole. Another one is, I forgot what was that. Yeah, I got also another Kilian sample, and that was for Angel Share. So this is the box. I'm opening it right now. It says here, Black Phantom by Kilian, Memento Mori. And I believe Memento Mori is Latin for remember death. Not sure why, death figures prominently in this fragrance. I hope doesn't smell anything like death. So opening it right now. This, by the way, contains the fragrance and the coffret. And for those who have seen what the coffret of the Black Phantom looks like, it looks like this. So I guess, in order to keep up with the death concept, a skull is part of the design of the coffret. And there's a key here, or a keyhole. So if you'd like to lock your fragrance, lock the coffret. Not sure if it's included here or maybe it's inside. And okay, so this is a fragrance. This is the bottle, I mean. And the key is included. So the notes, as described in Fragrantica, include dark chocolate, rum, caramel, coffee, sugarcane, almond, sandalwood, and heliotrope. So I guess, by the description of the notes, this is probably a good gourmand lover's dream come true. So I'm just open the bottle and I'm spraying it in on this arm. I'm pretty excited about the dark chocolate note. All right. It despite the caramel and the sugarcane notes, it doesn't really come off as very sweet. I smell the dark chocolate the most, and I guess the rum also, and the almond. It's really nice. Definitely another gourmand fragrance from Kilian. It's kind of strong and bitter, and the smell or the scent from the initial blast doesn't change at all. So what you smell from the beginning, the dark chocolate, the rum, the coffee, stays all throughout. So I wouldn't really say that it's a linear kind of fragrance, but um, it seems linear also, meaning that it's kind of consistent from the opening all the way to the dry down. It really is a dark fragrance. So I guess this is where the death factor comes in, but it doesn't at all smell like death. Okay, it's a nice fragrance. I just don't know when to wear this. Definitely not an office scent. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a black tie event or something. And I rarely, go for that kind of an occasion. So this would be, difficult to find an occasion to wear. But maybe, I don't know, clubbing probably. That's a possible occasion to wear this. I don't know, maybe I'll try this also in the office and shock everyone with this deathly scent. Anyway, so that's the end of this video. I hope that you like this unboxing video. Like I've said, this is a quick one. I really love this coffret. This is really a beautiful, the way it's presented, a really beautiful presentation for this fragrance. But to be honest, I don't really care for the coffret. I mean, it will just sit in somewhere in my cabinet out there. It's really the fragrance that I'm really after for, and I've been in the hunt for for the best coffee slash chocolate fragrance for a long time now. This sort of fits that description. I was hoping that it would be a little bit sweeter, and I was hoping that that the Heliotrope would be a little bit more prominent. But anyway, Heliotrope is just powdery, so there's really nothing floral about this fragrance. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you will subscribe and watch out for future videos. So if you have any comments, please don't forget to comment below. And I hope that I'll see you soon. So bye.